Jeez.
So what the progress is, they always are. Yeah, of course.
What exhaust you running?
Black Widow?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
That's Black Widows on.
Hey, Ro, you want to come over here for a second?
Let's hear this baby.
And the race panel with anchor head. Trying to
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
And then I kind of switched direction when I realized how expensive it would be to build a 900 horsepower supercharged.
Yeah.
V8. So
Yeah.
this was actually much cheaper and more drivable.
What's the tranny? Like what's
It's a 6-speed tremec.
okay.
Oh, sweet.
Bought it as a package from Cleveland Power Performance in the States.
Nice. What about the rear end? What's
Stock rear end.
Okay.
With 411s. I had to splice a 70 drive shaft with a Hellcat drive shaft.
Yeah.
Connect, but
Yeah.
yeah.
How much power are you pushing out of this baby?
45 stock on these engines.
Yeah.
I don't know, with like the little intake and the exhaust is 3-inch up, so just by the rear axle, so I'm hoping that gives it a bit more.
Gotcha. Yeah. How's the drivability? Is like pretty good?
It's
For-
tight. It's all
Yeah.
it's all custom suspension built by another guy in the States for
Nice.
these cars, so it handles pretty much like a new one.
Yeah. Where'd you get this wrap done?
Guy in town, I think it's either Redline or Adrenaline on one of the sophomore.
Oh yeah.
He ripped it off pretty quick.
That's amazing.
Just because I ran out of money.
Yeah.
At that point, right?
Yeah. Have you taken this to the track at all?
No,
No?
it's not quite there yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna sort out some rear end stuff with it.
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah.